What's the meaning of conventionality? Conventionality. Conventionality.
Conventionality. Conventionality. Conventionality refers to the adherence to traditional or commonly accepted practices or standards. It is the quality of conforming to social norms and expectations without questioning their validity. The emphasis on conventionality encourages conformity, but it can also limit creativity and innovation, as people may be hesitant to deviate from established norms. Ultimately, conventionality can play a role in maintaining social order and stability, but it can also be a barrier to progress and change.